så. Kom så med. Ja, kom så.
Det var dengang, hun havde den der. Så gik jeg baglands, så begyndte hun at gå hen imod mig. Ej!
Fuldstændig flad.
It's gonna be back up. It's gonna be up. We're gonna be doing it back in a minute. Oh. Ella, you were one funny kitty.
Ja.
You were one funny kiddo.
Ja. Jeg kan ikke se, hvad hun gør i morgen.
Hvad har du da spist?
Hun har spist kylling med tomatketchup. Ja, hun får bedre isenstøvler i morgen, hvis hun fik dem på.
Nej. Nej.
Hi, yes, mommy coming. I see you.
Du kunne da også gå rundt med en nemmere ting. Ja, nu er vi træt. I'm tired now.
Yeah. Now I've walked enough for everybody tonight. Well, Missy, now you're just scooting it, scooting your little toe. Scooting, scooting, scooting.
Ja,
Ja, det gjorde hun så.
det var kirken til. Og det må man have.
Okay, you need to get. You want to grab her?
No. I already did it once.
Okay.
It's on you. Hi.
Okay, you. We gotta go get a good diaper. Cause you're stinky. Hey, Stinky.
Very much.
He's a little stinker. Hey, Stinky.
Det er måske sidste gang, hun så rigtig kravler sådan.
Okay, Miss Movie Star. Say bye-bye. Say goodnight. Say goodnight to all your fans.
Ja.
Night-night. Ready? Yep. Come on. Let's go get a clean diaper. No, we're not going to go outside.
Do you want to go out with it?
It's too
Der er også godt vejr ude.
nighttime.
Ja, det.
Ja, det er rigtig godt vejr ude.
Say night-night. Night-night. My debut.